GTTN is introducing Thorsten Hinrichs. He's representing the donor of the project, the German Ministry of Food and Agriculture. Thorsten, you are the responsible contact person for the Global Timber Tracking Network at the German BMEL. Could you describe a bit your work portfolio in the context of forest legality?
Yes, I'm working at the political level, and there it is important, for one thing, to supervise our competent authority for the controls on the EU timber regulation and also on the FLEGT regulation. And that is the BLE, the competent, the federal agency for agriculture. They are doing the controls, but we have the political responsibility. And then it is very important also at an EU level to cooperate with the Commission and with the other member states, because it's necessary that we all interpret the law in the same way and that we all are doing the same measures in all the member states. And therefore we have regular meetings at expert level and also in the FLEGT committee in Brussels.
And what do you expect from GTTN and its further development?
We believe that these new methods that have been developed for identifying the tree species and identifying, or at least verifying or falsifying, the claims of the origin of timber, that they are very important and very constructive for the controls and also for the due diligence systems that companies have to set out. And therefore we believe that all the different stakeholders on these methods have to cooperate and have to come together and combine their efforts. On the one hand, the suppliers of these methods, so the scientists that are developing the different methods, and on the other hand also the users, because it's sometimes it's not so clear what exactly do the users need, what kind of questions have to be asked, and what species, for instance, are the most important ones, and also which origins are the most important ones. So what do we as users, so the companies, the authorities and other organizations, like for instance certification organizations, what do they really need from these methods? And I think that a global timber tracking network is necessary to bring all these stakeholders together.
What role can timber tracking tools play in the future when it comes to the fight against illegal logging?
Yeah, as I said, I see that they have a very important role to play. At the moment they are already used in practice routinely, for instance from our Thünen Center of Competence on Timber Origin that we have set up in Hamburg. Every day they receive some samples to control, mostly anatomical, but also something on DNA. And a lot of questions are also asked about certification systems and about certain countries, and all this information is put together there in this Thünen Center. But it is still in a way a niche, because it's only done in a few countries and only done on a small scale. And what I see for the future is that it will be done on a broad scale. I think it will, like with many new technologies, it is sometimes it needs a bit time to start, but then it will get faster and faster. And also I expect that also the prices will go down, and what people can really do with these methods will go up. So this will lead to a broad use of these methods in the future, I believe.